Sorry for the interruption. Then I will explain clearly now. Now we are calculated the assets at book value 15,000. We take in debit side of the realization account. The liabilities are given in the problem: 3,000 creditors, 2,000 bills payable, book value. We take in credit side of the realization account. And at the same time, in the problem they are already given that assets realized 40% of their book value, 40% of 15,000. Now that comes to rupees 6,000. We take in credit side of the realization account. Assets realized at 40% of 15,000, but you write it as by bank account. Why you are writing this as a bank account? It can be taken in debit side of the bank account, the receipt side of the bank account at the final settlement. And at the same time, you see, nothing is stated in regarding the payment of the liabilities of the creditors and bills payable, but it is understood that at the time of dissolution of the firm, the outside liabilities are required to pay. The payment should be made, so that you take in debit side of the realization account, write it as bank account, and you write in another is bracket creditors paid in full. And at the same time, the bills payable is also required to make it payment. Now that is write it as to bank account. Now you take amount of rupees 2,000 in full settlement, bills payable paid in full. Now check the whether debit or credit more. Now debit side is more. You take total of debit, transfer to the credit side. Now totally, now that is 20,000. Now deduct creditors, bills payable and assets realized. The balance comes to rupees 9,000. 9,000 is the realization loss. Distribute among the partners. Now that is Amit and Rohit. Now that is in equal. Now in the problem they are already given sharing profits and losses equally, so that distribute now that is equally 1:1. Now that is each comes to rupees 4,500. Like this you go for prepare the realization account, or it may be the partners capital accounts, or sometimes they can ask for the 15 marks question, partners capital accounts, realization account and bank account. Then whatever may be the case, then you must ready to prepare.